Stop scrolling. Imagine this. You're driving home from work tomorrow and out of nowhere, crash. Another car hits you from the side, your heart's racing, your hands are shaking, and before you've even processed what happened, your phone rings. It's the insurance company. They're friendly, polite, even sympathetic. They say, "We're so sorry for what happened. We just want to help you get back on your feet. We can send you a check today." Sounds comforting, right? But here's the shocking truth. Thousands of Americans every year lose $50,000, even $100,000 or more by saying yes to that first offer. The insurance company's goal isn't to help you, it's to protect their bottom line. Personal injury lawyers know this game. They know how to fight back, negotiate, and often turn that quick $20,000 offer into a $200,000 settlement. But here's the real question. How do you find the right lawyer and avoid being taken advantage of? And how do you know if you even need one? Today we're going to break down the truth about personal injury lawyers in 2025, what they do, how they get paid, and how to make sure you don't walk away from life-changing money. Most people think hiring a personal injury lawyer is expensive or unnecessary. Maybe you've heard, lawyers take all the money, or I can just talk to the insurance company myself. But here's the truth. Insurance companies have entire legal teams whose only job is to pay you less. They know the laws, they know the loopholes, and their adjusters are trained to make you believe you're getting a fair deal, when you're really not. In 2025, insurance tactics have gotten even more sophisticated. AI-powered claim analysis, automated injury estimations, and quick settlement apps are designed to close your case fast before you can think twice. But if you know the system, you can fight back. Today, I'll explain how personal injury lawyers really work in 2025, how their fees are calculated so you don't overpay, how to find a trustworthy attorney anywhere in the USA, and insider tips to maximize your settlement value, potentially 2 to 5 times higher than the first offer. So why do personal injury lawyers exist? The short answer, because insurance companies don't exist to pay you fairly. Let's go back to that car crash scenario. Your medical bills could be $20,000, but what about physical therapy, future surgeries, lost wages if you can't work for months, emotional trauma? That first settlement offer rarely includes all of that. Personal injury lawyers step in to level the playing field. They gather medical records, speak with doctors, investigate the accident scene, pull traffic camera footage, hire accident reconstruction experts, and calculate your true long-term damages. Think of it like this. If you play poker against a pro and don't know the rules, who's going to win? That's you versus the insurance adjuster. The lawyer makes it a fair fight. Insurance companies want you to believe a case is just about paying for your car repairs and a hospital visit, but real settlements consider everything: present and future medical expenses, lost income, past and future, pain and suffering, loss of quality of life, permanent disability, or disfigurement. Here's a true story. California. A man injured in a car crash was offered $20,000 to settle. His lawyer dug deeper, found spinal damage that would require surgery and long-term therapy. Final settlement at $2,120,000. Texas. A woman with a workplace injury got an initial $15,000 offer. Her lawyer proved her hand injury would affect her entire career. She got $120,000. These aren't rare exceptions. These happen every day. One of the biggest myths is, I can't afford a lawyer. Wrong. Most personal injury lawyers in the USA work on contingency fees, meaning no upfront payment. They only get paid if you win. Usually they take 30%, 40% of the settlement. Why this matters? You can fight billion-dollar insurance companies without risking your own money. Lawyers are motivated because if you don't win, they don't get paid. Example, you win $100,000, your lawyer takes 33%, $33,000. Yes, that's a cut. But remember, without the lawyer you might have taken the insurer's first $10,000 or $20,000 offer. Check track record and reviews. Look at Google reviews. Avo, Martindale-Hubbell. A good lawyer's clients will talk about results and responsiveness. Ask about contingency fee percentage. Standard is 30-40%. If someone asks huge upfront fees, that's a red flag. Specialization matters. Personal injury law is broad. A car accident lawyer is different from a medical malpractice attorney. Avoid cold calls and ambulance chasers. Real professionals don't harass accident victims. They earn clients through reputation and referrals. Free consultations are normal. Good lawyers usually offer free first meetings. We've just scratched the surface. Now you understand why personal injury lawyers exist, how they can turn a small settlement into life-changing money, and how to choose one without fear. In the next part of this series, we'll go deeper. Real negotiation tactics, how insurance companies spy on you, common mistakes that cost people thousands, and how to build your case step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Money Empire, and hit the bell so you don't miss the full 10,000-word guide that could literally save you tens of thousands of dollars.